Select the picker icon. By holding click, drag it to where you want to place it. Select the style icon, then click the background color icon and customize the background color of the property. In this area, you can modify the primary colors, opacity, and color intensity. By clicking the text color icon, you can customize the color of the text. You can modify the default colors, hue, and opacity of the color. In the dimensions area, clicking the percentage allows you to link or unlink the vertical and horizontal parts of the property. In the margin area, click the center to link and unlink the measures from each corner of the property. You can modify both the inside and outside margins. In the border area, you can link and unlink border measurements both in width and height. You can also customize the radius of the border. By clicking border color, you can customize the color of the property border. By clicking border style, you can modify the style of the line of the border. Select the data icon. In the basic data area, you can customize the name of the control, the placeholder of the control, and enable dynamic loading. By clicking control is hidden, you can temporarily hide or display the property. When you click option value, you can enter the options the values of the property. When you click arrows enable, a property's arrows are enabled. Select the events icon. By clicking add event, you can enter an event to the property. Clicking the on change event triggers when the value of the picker changes. Thank you for watching this video.